the vacancy rate we look at, and it doesn't necessarily to pay your mortgage, it's also to pay any other expenses that you have. In some cases, you can cut some expenses, at least in the short term. Maybe your landscaping, you switch and get it done every other week or 3 weeks, wherever it is, right? There's some expenses you can cut. That's really the best indicator, frankly, is to see where your break-even occupancy is and break-even rent amounts. How much could I lower rents to and still survive? Everyone wants to make money, but in this case, it's to survive. And surviving is to be able to pay all my expenses, including the mortgage. Right now, I think in general, if you're looking at a property today, you probably have to assume your first year rent is going to be about the same, maybe lower. We don't know, right? First few months might be worse. But if you buy a property today, reality is get a contract today, you're not going to usually close until 90 days down the road. So you're talking 3 months down the road. So it could look completely different. 3 months rents could be back to normal and things like that. So, but it's looking to see how low you can go and survive, in my opinion. That's where those break-even numbers really play the biggest part.